Sashisin pat ngi pinang subhai pi barok chagane ka channel kajungi. But hagan ka video ngin pay yakini ki post kibrang sholat thamai hapo ka khasi but Garo region. Ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society lanika MSRLS kapalai ikini ki post mentau banai araja rop hundreo. Ikateng jung ni ki post kilangkum ni Project Executive Non-Farm Livelihoods Promotion but ka Block Functional Specialist Financial Inclusion. Kajaka jang ka posting kandai haki Block Mission Management Units laniki BMM use. Kani ka post Project Executive Non-Farm Livelihoods Promotion kalait Southly ha Khasi region but Southly ha Garo region. Ka salary lani ko tulak ko dai 10,000 aspa hak shibnai. But kani ka post Block Functional Specialist Financial Inclusion kalait nrutuli ki post sapo Khasi region but Southly ki post sapo Garo region. Ya kani ka post ru ka salary lani ko tulak ko dai 10,000 aspa hak shibnai. Ki educational qualifications kilangkum ni ya ka post Project Executive Non-Farm Livelihoods Promotion pila de ban pendap ya ka postgraduate degree lani ka diploma ha ka commerce lani business management lani agricultural business lani rural marketing lani development practice lani community development naka recognized university pinang kam minimum experience shisnam hado arsnam haki projects ki bayadai bat ki livelihoods lani enterprise promotion non-farm activities. Kin kam my preference ya gitu ki badan experience ban train ya ki brio ki banaki rural areas. Pidon kamru ya ki computer skills kamtam haka Microsoft Office, Google Sheets extra. Bat pidai bandai hapo ka lai post 6 ka kerta. Ya ka post Block Functional Specialist Financial Inclusion pidon kaman pendap ya ka post graduation degree lani diploma haka science lani business management finance lani commerce naka recognized university lani institution. Pidon kam minimum shisnam hado arsnam working experience haka rural development but poverty alleviation programs. Lani pidon kam shisnam hado arsnam experience haki bank lani non-banking financial company NRFC lani haki microfinance institutions MFI. Pidon kamru iki computer skills kamtam haka Microsoft Office, Google Sheets bagi way badru pilih bandai hapoka lai post 6 ka kerta. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakuak ban apply yakini ki post pihak ban apply online. Link ba ka website jang ka MSRLS. Pihak ban lai hakani ka website bat PNCE ka ka button ka bato notice board pihak ban klik ang to hadin sa klik recruitment. Kalas date lani ka tarik bakado ba pihak ban submit yaki application form kedai haka aphui tarik banai August arajar abhundru. Ka maximum age relaxation yaki schedule caste lani ki schedule tribe candidates kadai sansnam. But yaki PWD candidates ki badai schedule caste lani schedule tribe kadai khat sansnam. Ki candidates ki di ban yoru lani obtain at least 100% ki marks na ki recognized university lani institutions. Kan sakam I preference yaki tu ki banang ban pule ban tho bat ban keren yaka local language badru yaki tu ki badan good communication skills bat ki banang ha ban try haka Microsoft packages Google Suite baki wiki. Ki documents ki bapidon kam ban upload hakani ka online application kilangkum ni passport size photograph ka signature self attested copies jong ki documents lani ki certificates ki jong phi kum ki date of birth address proof certificate for the highest educational qualification caste lani tribe certificate disability certificate if applicable working experience certificate bat hangni kilatho lada pidon ka working experience certificate pidi ban upload bitang ya kane but what upload ya ka internship certificate badru pidi ban upload ya ka CV ka jongpi bat kodong ko ka jingpun bana lani ka announcement ru ha kane ka channel ba ngimut ban sedang bahano ya kane ka competitive exam lessons kabumut ngimut ban yarap ya gitu ki ba prepare lani ki ba kwa ban attempt ya kini ki competitive exams kum kini ki exam kam jong ki government exams kum ki LDA, GDA, lani kinu ki exam, jong ki MPSC, DSC, bat benta kini ki lessons ladangi sedang ngibut ban lek nado Monday to Friday, bat ngin ka volot barok kini ki subjects ki basit 1 ha kini ki syllabus jong kini ki government exams, bat ro ngin sa IEP ki notes lani ki documents ki ba lak ban nyerap susu ipiru ba pin prepare kini ki exam, te pila ban pay kini ki videos hakano kono kopor tangba kini ki videos kinlong available tangye ki members jong ka channel ki normal subscribers kin numi kini ki videos hendrai tang ki subscribers ki ba join ya ka membership jong ka ni ka channel Nginsa batai bahasyo haka next video lano kan sedang kini ki lessons but video ban kan mau ba menta kan de bait nado Monday to Friday pinyo ikini ki lessons but haka Saturday ngila ban ai ki mock test lani ki practice questions kino ru te menta ngi kwa bangin yarap bha yaki aspirants lani ki candidates ki bakwa banyo iki exam kam te ka membership fee ru kan de ka batat bha haka si banai te ngase kran khambha shushu yakane haka next video